Greetings viewers and welcome to coffeechilltv and one of the world's most famous beaches, Kuta Beach. And surf's up and nice clear day. Folks are out taking selfies, taking photos, videos like yours truly. Let's go for a bit of a walk along the beach in Bali. Come along with me. So it is Sunday morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. It's already reasonably toasty, and you can see here that already there's quite a few folks on the beach. Now back home in Australia, excluding public holidays, the really busy times of year, you wouldn't see this many people typically out on Main Beach in places like Nusa or Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast. Folks are up early here in Bali, off on their little constitutional. Not as many in the water, but certainly plenty going for the beach walk. So let's do that. Let's have our little beach walk here. We're at the Legian end of the beach, and we're going to walk towards Kuta. Basically, Kuta Beach. Well, Kuta Beach, it's one long stretch. Kuta over that way, and then Legian, and then further afield is Seminyak. So we are right in the centre, and we will we'll head towards Kuta. And you can see the surf school is out. Easy surf. Surfing's not that easy, not in my experience anyway. I never really learnt how to surf properly. I'm a pretty good body surfer because I'm a pretty good swimmer, but I never did learn how to surf properly. So I've got great admiration for those elite surfers. Great skill, great courage in my opinion too, to be a top surfer. So there isn't a huge swell this morning. Makes it a bit safer to swim. I've swum on this beach many times. I first swam at this beach in 1997. I was on a semester break from uni, and I came here, and my first swim here at Bali, the waves were quite big. There were some rips, and for inexperienced swimmers, you can certainly get yourself into a little bit of strife here. But today, looks very user-friendly for inexperienced swimmers and surfers, and it's a nice clear day for photos. And you can see old mate there, he's got a real kick-ass camera. Look at that, and the sun is shining. So a bit of a tourist trip, a traveller trip. And remember, tourist and traveller, these are synonyms. They mean exactly the same thing. So a tourist tip from yours truly, if you want to walk between Kuta and Legian, or if you want to walk all the way from Kuta, Legian to Seminyak, it's quite user-friendly to walk along the beach, particularly when it's low tide like now. It's nice hard sand, and you just don't get hit up as much, If you walk along JL Legian, if you walk along the beach road, besides the uneven cobblestone streets, there's a lot of hawkers, and I don't mind the hawkers. You know, I'm a free market guy, but you can certainly find it's often a lot more enjoyable to walk along the beach between Kuta, Legian and Seminyak. That young lady's got her video phone going, and she's videoing me and I'm videoing her. Always like to do that on the Coffee Chill TV channel. A channel for travellers and tourists, because travellers and tourists are the same. They're not different. So you can see here the street vendors are setting up, and there'll be more as the day rolls on. You know, it's great to take advantage of the convenience. I've had manicures, pedicures, foot massages done here at the beach in Kuta. I've had a nice cold bintang at sunset, and it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so you know, if you want to have a bintang, don't let me stop you any time of the day. But yeah, very, very nice to just mooch around and have a bit of a bludge at Bali on the beach, and you know, just enjoy what is one of the great tourism places on the planet. Beautiful Bali. It's lovely and shady up here with the beach vendors, which, you know, some of them are just setting up shop and getting ready for the trade. And yeah, lovely. Jojo Surf School, fantastic. And obviously there's people selling sarongs and other swimwear. Shan surf. Hairy surf. Horrors. And the turf line is being marked. Getting up a bit of pace, that bloke. And the tractors are out clearing the beach. Don't know if they've been down to this section. A few stray bottles and thongs on the beach here. Folks taking their mobile phones into the surf to get the perfect shot. The price you pay for your art. What did we do before there were selfie sticks, folks? What did we actually do? How do we survive? Hello ladies, yes. Let's video each other. Hello, hello. Very good. Excellent. I should smile, and I hope they got my good side, because I'm going to be on someone's YouTube video. That's okay. A lot of folks are going to be in this YouTube video today, and it's a glorious day, folks. It really is. It's good to be alive, and one of life's great pleasures is a beach walk. And yours truly is fortunate in that my home base is the Sunshine Coast, and going for a beach walk is an option that I have most days, weather pending, and I never take that for granted. You know, a lot of folks have to fly many hours and save up many pennies, many dollars, to come to a place where they're going to have one of the great pleasures in life, which is a walk on the beach. I hope you're enjoying my walk on the beach in Bali. And warning, marketing message coming: if you are enjoying this video, please do not be shy to give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up will help, apparently will help, with the algorithm. So our lives have become an algorithm. So you know, if you want to help my algorithm be a little bit more healthy, please give this video a thumbs up. So there are some small boats just out beyond the shoreline there, and there's a lovely breeze starting to pick up now. But let's go up and have a bit of a walk through the tree line section of Kuta Beach. Plenty of warangs here, warangs being restaurants in this little tree line section of Kuta Beach, and they're not all open up for business just yet. A lot of them are being sort of setting up shop for the day, and you're certainly at a nice elevated position overlooking the famous Kuta Beach from here. Recording while riding, I admire that skill. Takes a steady hand, that's for sure. And some of Bali's finest getting ready to clock on for work today too. Always swim between the flags. That's sage advice anywhere, folks, but particularly at a surf beach. Yes, swim between the flags. If the lifesavers cannot see you, well, they cannot save you. So, yeah, safety first, folks. Safety first. Bagoose. Bagoose is good in the local lingo, and when I first came to Bali in 1997, that is one of the first words that I learnt. Bagoose, good, and terima kasih, thank you. It's a lovely shady spot here, even some grass. As we get towards the end of our walkabout video. A little bit of self-defense training happening there with the with some young roosters. Beautiful breeze now. And there's a few folks out on this boardwalk section here on Kuta Beach as well. So there you go, folks. A Sunday morning beach walk, one of life's great pleasures. I hope you found this video pleasurable to watch. It was a lot of fun making it, and it's beautiful here on Sunday in Bali. Thank you again for dropping by coffeechilltv, and please enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.